are you? I hope you all are doing well. I'm your Mr. Professional Hacker, and today tool is I will show here. Here is our Kali Linux is open, and just wait for live here, and please join to me live. This is a very important tool, friendly. Okay, so just simple thing, I will share this link in my page and also in my group. Then we will start our practical session and conclude our lecture early. Okay, so little wait please, join to me live now and start learn ethical hacking. Okay, Minicom tool English lecture is started. Join to me now and start to learn hacking. Okay, so just simple thing. Okay, now here is everything is fine. Okay, now okay, now here I show. Here is actually a Minicom. Here is a Minicom tool. See here and click on it, then it's open, and then you can see here complete commands which available in this. Okay, and with here is description. He told about each by each command description. Okay, and first we need to check here what is the Minicom. Okay, because it's very important. Okay, just wait please. English lecture is started. Just little wait. Okay, now here is what is Minicom. Minicom is a text-based terminal emulator for Unix-like operating systems. It is commonly used to connect to serial devices such as routers, switches, modems, or other equipment that communicates over a serial interface. It provides a way to send and receive data over serial connections and can also log the session for later analytics. How does Minicom works? Minicom operates by using the system serial port, e.g. okay, like he used devices ports dev tty s0, dev tty usb 0 to establish a communication link with target device. It allows you to configure various communication programs. First step is baud rate, speed of data transmission 9600 over 11,000 5200. Okay, and then second is parity error checking scheme, non even or odd. Okay, stop bits used to signal the end of a data, the end of a data packet. Number 4, data bits, the number of bits in each unit of transmitted data, usually 7 or 8. Flow control determines how data flow is managed. Okay, purpose of Minicom. First step is interfacing with network devices. Network administrators use Minicom to configure router, switches, or firewall via the serial console port. Number 2, debugging hardware. Developers and engineers use it to debug embedded systems by monitoring their serial output. Programming microcontrollers. Number 3, understand, a Minicom is historically associated with configuring modem and dial up connections. Okay, now let's start our practical session. These all commands available in my PC. Okay, and no one joined to me still. Okay, now our first command is sets the baud rate communication. I just copy from here. For the session ignoring the configure value, this sets the baud rate to 9600. First step is we need to have this one file or directory. Okay, this one. If we don't have directory or file, then when you enter this command, it's not working. It showed you like that. Here it says you no such file or directory. It's mean first you need to have 9600 file or directory. Then you type here command with this, then it's working. Okay, next step, next command is device. Here is specifies the device name, e.g. like serial port to use bypass the configuration file. Okay, connects to the serial device at dev tt usb. First step, you need to have USB device. Click with this and then add here by using this name. Okay, now here what he say, no such file or directory. If you don't have this type of file or this type of directory available in your PC, don't available in your PC, then it's not working. Then it showed you like this. Then first you need to make this file and file or directory which you require, then type here and then it's working according to your command. Okay, next step is setup. Launches Minicom in setup mode to configure option like baud rate, flow control and serial port. Okay, next command is opens the setup menu before starting the terminal. Here I type this one command, enter. Now I type here. Now here is, see, it's open the setup. Okay, it's actually a configure setup. Okay, choice is your set. You can set according to your launches Minicom like option like baud rate, flow control. Now here is see baud rate, check here baud rate. Okay, but I don't want to do any setup. I type here exist. Okay, it's actually showed you in front of you. If you want to make setup according to your working, then you can do by using this. Okay, next step is number 4 command is skips modem initialization and log file creation during startup. Now I type here this one command, useful for quick read only access to a device. Here is I type this one. Now we see, now here is anything, nothing available, anything. Okay, just check here. No, nothing available, anything here, because we don't connect any device with that. Actually this working on useful for quick read only access to a device. Read only access to a device. Okay, now number 5 configures the terminal to use the meta or alt key for issuing commands. Okay, just type here Minicom enables meta key functionally. Here you type and hit enter. Now what he say here is don't have dev modem file. Okay, actually this one not available in my PC. That's why it showed no such file or directory. First I need to make, then I can use this command and get result from this. otherwise is nothing show anything in front of you if you don't have directory or file. Again I repeat. Okay, next, number 6 enables 8-bit meta key support for issuing commands. Again it says same like thing, and again it says same like that. No such file or directory. First you need to make this one file or directory which one he require. When you provide this and when you make this, and how to make this directory and file, I already told you almost in our lectures. And now you need to solve this problem in on your PC. And please join to me live here, like, share and comment to my video, also subscribe to my channel. Okay, number 7 is assume the terminal uses a non-IBM PC character set. Just type this one command, hit enter. Again it showed. This one directory is very important. Again I told you this one directory is very important. First you need to check which one he require, file or directory. If he require file, then you need to make file. If you require directory, then you need to make directory by using this name. And after that type here command, hit enter and get result. Okay, again if I type this one, 8 command is prevents the assumption that the terminal uses an ISO operating system character set usage. Then type this one command. Again it showed you no such file or directory because not available. Okay, next step is number 9, enables line wrapping for text output. Maybe it's working, and again it showed no such file or directory, no such file or directory, because this is a main directory which not available in this. All commands configuration available in this directory. Okay, next step is number 10, displays the serial output in hexadecimal format. Again it showed same like that, and just you need to understand the commands and then make this one directory. Okay, then you type complete command and use complete command here, then it's working proper. Okay, now number 11 is attempts to use the terminal status line for additional information. Then you can type this one command, hit enter. No such file or directory, no problem. I told you, repeat many times. Okay, number 12 forces Minicom to operate in 7-bit mode. Then you type this one command, hit enter. No such file or directory. I hope all commands show same like that. Okay, number 13 forces Minicom to operate 8-bit mode. These all commands available in this tool, and you can practical here according to this. Okay, number 14 enables or disable NC style color output. Just type this one command. This is working like this, but when it's working, then you make this one directory with detail. Okay, and now let's move on next command, number 15. Here you type toggle the use of reverse or highlight attributes for text. Here you type this one, hit enter. No such file or directory, and again type number 16. Override the term environment variable to specify the terminal type. Type this one command and get this result. First you need to make directory, then you type here executes a script at startup, and you type this one. Everything available in this one. For example, if I want to make this mkdir, okay, then I type here /dev, then I type here modem. For example, if I make this, hit enter. Now it's make now everything available here. For example, now I type here this one, hit enter. Now what he say? Is a directory. Is a this one a directory. But I think he wants from me the we make first I make directory, now I make file. Then we check exactly what he want from me. Here, hit enter. Okay, now everything is done. Now I type here, hit enter. Now what is say? Cannot open because it's directory. Because I make directory. Okay, but I also make a directory. I make everything according to this, but it's not working. Okay, now I type next command, dials a specific entry from the dialog directory. Here I type this one, hit enter. Now what is it? Cannot open. First I need to remove one, this hyphen R, then type here dev, type here then type here modem, hit enter. Now again I type this one command, hit enter. Now what is it? First I need to touch dev, then type again MEDOM. Okay, now hit enter. Now ls. Where is file? Where is this file? This file is not created. This file is not created. That's why it's nothing show detail which we want. Here again I type because file is not created like that. First I need to make this one dev. Now here is see dev. Where is dev? Not working dev. Dev is not working. Okay, first I need to make touch. Okay, touch. Sorry. First I need to mkdir /dev. Hit enter. File exists, cannot create a directory, file exists. Now what he say? File is exist. Okay, if file is exists, then why not is working? Type here, hit enter. No such file or directory. I think Kali Linux want update and want upgradation. That's why it's not working well. But no problem. It's not a big issue. Sometimes first I told you how to make directory, then I told you how to make file. If not working like that, then you make file each by each. First you make dev, okay, then you make next portion, okay, then you open I told you how to open each by each. And if you make directory, then type cd. Okay, if you want to open file, then type cat. Okay, let's need to conclude our lecture early. Okay, 19th connects to a pseudo terminal instead of a physical serial device. Here is, hit enter. Now what is a pseudo device? Option port dev control A to Z special keys. Now here is press enter. Okay, No, it's not working like that. Now here is control cut Z. Now it's not back. Welcome to Minicom like that etc. Okay, it's not working like that. Control A, Control Z. Now what is it? Now see here, it showed like that. Same like that when if you want to make a road, but no need like that. We need to cut this shell and need to back. Again open the new shell. Okay, and type here sudo su, hit enter, type here kali, type here dot dot. Okay, now move on next command. 20 starts capturing output the specific files. Now here is start capturing. Now such file or directory. I told you again and again, first we need to make this, then it's working these all. Sets the buffering mode for the capturing file. And this is, here is invalid buffering mode. This buffering mode is not working here because I think this buffering mode configuration is different in available commands. Okay, next command is customizes the status line format. You just type this one, hit enter. Also its configuration in this directory. Okay, let's move on next. Specify the character set used by the remote communication partner. Again it showed same result, I hope. Yes, as well. Okay, now need to complete our commands. Here is variant, then help, and here is actually our lecture is done. Okay, this is actually a friendly communication tool. It's a important tool, and if you can use this, it's actually using for network sniffing and spoofing. Understand? And also I teach complete ethical hacking with practical on my this YouTube channel. If anyone interested to learn hacking, then you can contact me, and please like, share and subscribe to my video.